Alright, I figure I'd give you a little walk around to the whole boat here. Got your prop. This is your back deck there. Up here. The inside. Down here's the motor. These here are the reupholstered covers that go on top of the motor. This one's covered up. I started to reupholster this and started doing what they were supposed to do with it, but obviously they never finished it. Let's hop over here. Getting inside. Steering wheel. Instrument cluster. Little navigation. This is one of the seats. These guys were covered, so luckily they're not all messed up. This one actually isn't bolted onto the ground or onto the floor, but it's still there. You got its stand right there. And here's the inside. Steps leading down. The door does still slide closed. A little sink over here. That's the tarp that I used to cover it over the winter. A little storage cabinet over here. Now we'll give a little walk around. They're flat, but they will hold air. Top. Guys, a little rusted out, but still holds just fine. And there you have it.